everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Go by Gigi. If this is your first time here, I basically talk about makeup, skincare, and all that jazz. I'm a makeup junkie. Today we're gonna be doing a review and trial actually of Boxycharm subscription premium box. So it's a much bigger box. So I have basically no makeup on, so I'll be trialing out the makeup in the box. Maybe if this is something you're interested in, just keep on watching and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. Okay, so let's get started. So the first product that we got is Core's body butter. So I'm gonna use some on my hand just to trial it out. I'm not opposed to body butter. I don't really know the Core's brand, so I don't think it's pretty much luxury. It doesn't sound like, I've never heard of it, so I wouldn't know, but I don't know. I feel like this box you're supposed to be getting like luxury products, so I don't know. It does smell like any cheap cream I would just buy at the grocery store. It's like those like cheap, really fragrant, you know, if you go in the body section and have like those gifts that boyfriends used to get girls on, like, you know, the bath and body sets. So I'm not really digging that. At least my hands won't be dry. So it's a green spice of dazzling freshness with a vibrant lemon zest. That's what it is. It's really lemony. Rich in shea butter and avocado oil with softening and nourishing properties. So this one, they're saying this is worth $30. I highly doubt that, so I'm sorry, but I'm being honest. Like, it's not, I don't think this is worth $30 at all. Like, I wouldn't even pay like $5 for this. Like, maybe if this was on sale at like Shoppers Drug Mart. Yeah, not too impressed with that. So we'll move on. The next item in the box is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. So I'm really excited for this. I saw a lot of YouTubers use this. My skin is really dry right now. I'm gonna probably start with this first. Ooh, that smells so good. It's really refreshing. That's really nice, actually. I really love that. Okay, I can take this off a little bit. So this is a hydrating mist, so ultra fine and delicate, it envelops your skin in a dreamy morning fog. The formula is packed with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh the skin and enhance makeup. So this is valued at $28 American. I like that it's ultra fine. Like, I don't worry now getting on all over my dress. It's a girls' night tonight, so I'm already ready. So that's nice. Okay, so moving on. So the next item we got in the box is 24. Once again, another brand I've never heard of. But anyways, just a lot of no-name brands, and this one is apparently worth a lot of money. Never heard of them ever, so I'm not really, I don't know. The only reason I'm actually staying signed up is because the next March is like the Fenty Beauty box, and this is not like an advertisement, I'm just saying. Anyways, this is a 24 karat gold moisturizing cream that helps dry areas disappear without leaving a greasy residue. Its unique formula helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while firming, tightening, and locking moisture into the skin. The value of this is said to be $100 US, which is about 137 Canadian. I don't know. I've never heard of them, so I can't say anything, but like, maybe I'll Google it. I should. If I had my phone's dead, so. Okay, so this looks very fancy. So that's what that looks like. So it looks very sticky, like honey-like. It says you only need a small amount, so I'll put a small amount on. Just gonna rub that in. It feels really soothing on the skin. I mean, it doesn't feel bad. It's very sticky. Like, the face is nice and sticky and I'm ready for the rest of my face. So I'm just gonna go off camera and apply basically my eye makeup. There is a primer in here, so I do wanna just film that on camera actually to see how good the primer is. And yeah, so I'll be back. I'm probably just gonna do a really quick eye, and I'm really feeling like a neutral vibe today. Okay, so we're back. We did my eyes, put on some lashes. So I'm using for the eyes, I used basically the Huda Beauty Melted Matte Shadows, which you've seen in some other videos on my Instagram. I really love these. They're so easy to do an eye look. And I went in with some Amarizi as well, some of her nice chocolate brown shades there to basically smoke it out a bit. So next item in the box is the Tarte Hydrating Primer. So this is really nice. It's basically, let me read the information for you. So basically this is a coconut priming serum that hydrates your skin for up to 12 hours. It's rich, lightweight, a makeup magnet, and it's infused with a blend of coconut and botanicals to help nourish and smoothen your skin's appearance. So let's see if it's gonna help nourish my dried, cracked skin. I don't know, I'm just getting a lot of dryness. I feel like this is all just dry patches right here. Maybe it's just... Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with the primer. So I'm just putting some of this primer on my hand right now, and I'm just gonna put it all over my skin. So it's like really liquidy. It's a different consistency than what I thought. I thought most primers are a little bit thick, but this one has like a, I don't know, like a sponginess, if that makes sense, because it's really, it has a lot of bubbles. So I'm just gonna put that in with my hands. It smells really nice. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. I'm just gonna do it on a Boxycharm, one of the Boxycharm foundation brushes. This is in the shade 290. No, I am a little bit lighter right now, so I'm just gonna mix it in and blend it down in my neck. I go through so many foundation shades through the year, just depending on the season, but sometimes I just don't feel like buying so many different shades for the same foundation, so I'm just making this work. And I find when you have a foundation shade like your summer shade and you don't feel like buying like a winter shade, the easiest thing to do is just use a lighter concealer. I'm just going to take my concealer brush that we used before. This is a, oh wow, I just noticed that the Makeup by Mario brushes have names on them. So this is the concealer brush from the Makeup by Mario and Sephora collection. So how I like to sculpt my brows, I just take some of the foundation on a brush and I just go over the top. I used to do it with concealer, but I found it was a little too much. I found the foundation makes it more seamless. Take a little bit more of that foundation and just pat it, sort of build it up. Okay, so now that that's locked in, we're gonna go in with some contouring as per usual. I'm gonna go in with Suede this time just because I wanted more of a bronzing look. I'm gonna go in with the Siat London. I believe this is also in the Boxycharm February box. I like this. It's really nice. It's a coconutty smell. So I'm just gonna pat that concealer in first. And then I'm gonna go in with this coconut powder, or sorry, translucent powder, and then just press that in. And everything's really coconutty. I love the coconut theme here. And sort of press this powder underneath my eye just to really get in there. Sorry, it's all over my hand. Let's flawless finish powder and sort of just set my contour. So just to set the contour, and then to set like the rest of my face, I take the same airbrush, this Charlotte Tilbury airbrush flawless finish, and then sort of just, it's almost done. Just use it for the rest of my face. Let's just spray ourselves with this mist. Basically almost done the look. That was I believe that was the last product. No, we still have more products. So the next product that we got in the Boxycharm Premium was the Carity Picante eyeshadow. So I didn't use that for my eyes, but I can use it for my under eye. I'm also gonna most likely give this away in a giveaway. but I'll use like, I guess, a couple shades just to show you guys and just to test out the pigmentation. Now, once again, I was expecting a little more from this box because just mere fact that I don't know Carity to be a luxury brand. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong. Let's see, they're saying that it's worth, how much is worth? Yeah, $29. Most high-end eyeshadow palettes like Anastasia, whatever, are worth like $54 and above. So I don't know, I was expecting a little more, but like, you know, I won't knock it. So this is what it looks like. Really nice warm shades. Like, I might keep this actually, we'll see. I'm gonna go into this color called Delia. It's like an orangey shade. So we're just gonna go in. It has no mirror as well, so that's a bummer. I'm gonna go, and then I'm gonna go into Bobby, which is another brownish shade. Or orangey shade. And just to add to like the smoke at the bottom, I'm gonna go into bronzed, just to put on my lower lash line. So I'm just going into bronze right here. And then just gonna do that on my lower lash line. Yeah, these are definitely shadows that you have to build up. Most likely you have to wet your brush to use the shimmer shades. I mean, it's not a bad palette. It's a really nice palette to start out with, but it's not the most pigmented that I'm used to working with. Some people don't like pigmented shadows, so it really depends on you. So that's pretty much on the bottom of my lashes. I will go in, just to finish off a little bit, I'll go in with a little bit of Harvest, which is like this reddish brick color. And I'm just gonna take that on my, and this is just one of my Urban Decay brushes. And then just to darken it up a bit, I'm gonna go into Bittersweet and Ash. Maybe the darker shades have a little more. It's that, and the last product, last but not least, which I really like this because, you know, I'm all about blush. We got the Hourglass Ambient Lighting. It does come with a mirror, which is great. Blush is a groundbreaking hybrid that combines customized lighting effects of ambient lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtaking modern hues. The result is a seamless, soft focus, multi-dimensional color. So this is worth 40 American dollars, which would be around 50 Canadian. So I'm gonna take a clean brush so I can see how the color is picked up. I'm gonna take a clean MAC 129 brush and go into this ambient lighting. So there it is. It's a nice washer color. Ooh, really nice. It really gives you like this diffused, blushy look. I'm not sure if you're seeing. I'm not sure if you're seeing it on camera, but it is like a nice flushed look. And you know, I'm all about blush. I love blush. I was never a blush person. I'm like so dyslexic. So I'm just gonna diffuse it with my beauty blender. Okay, so to finish off, I'm just basically going to take some eyeliner. And this is also a Boxycharm product. This is the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. My Extended Play Mascara. I love this for my bottom lashes, just to sort of elongate them. This is probably the only mascara I use on the bottom lashes. I don't tend to use the same mascara that I do on the top lashes on the bottom, except for the Fenty one actually. But I do find it's still a little bit chunky. Okay, so that's basically, finishing lips. lips. So we didn't get any lip products. We did get one in the regular Boxycharm. I wasn't a fan of the color too much, but I did it in another video that I put on Instagram. So let's just go more with some more blush. Ooh. Yes, she's flushed. Ooh. 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 Other things that we got in the Boxycharm in the regular box were these Alamar Cosmetics brushes. I love these brushes. These are so nice. So I've already used one for blush. I was going to use it for this ambient, but it already had blush on it, so it wasn't going to be an honest like review of that product. So if I cleaned it next time. But I'm going to use this brush for highlighter because I'm really loving it. So this is a brightening brush, and I find it's a beautiful, I haven't used it under my eye, but I'm going to use it for highlighter because it's my go-to right now. So for highlighter, we're going to go in with the Becca, also a previous Boxycharm item. It's the Becca Vanilla Quartz highlighter. Ooh. And I also used this in a previous video, but oh well. So we're just going to highlight this girl. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to go with the MAC lip pencil in Cork. Nude here. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the ombre effect today. But we're going in with the Fenty Beauty. I'm just gonna take my finger. For gloss on top of that, I'm gonna take the Desi and Katie collection over the top gloss. And yeah, and that's basically it. I'm gonna spray it down with some all-nighter spray. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of February's premium Boxycharm box and subscription, along with actually the regular box products as well. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for supporting my channel. I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.